So we made friends with the carpenter, okay, and his family. And my husband drew a Hanukkah, very simple, and the two of them, the carpenter and my husband, made a Hanukkah. So they made it out of a hardwood called baruta, which it actually glistens when you turn it. It's kind of a blonde wood like this perhaps, but it glistens a little bit. It's a fitting wood for a Hanukkah. And they just drilled basic holes for the size candle you could get in the local store, the local kade. And so it has many years of singeing in the wood because there wasn't anything to collect it. As the candle burnt down and out, it would singe the wood. So you could see the candle for day number 1 is the most singed, and the candle for day number 8 is the least singed. And for the shamus, they made a Jewish star out of a halmila wood, which is a redwood, so it would have a prominence. And we managed to celebrate.